Hello everyone, this is Banashri and welcome to my YouTube channel Banashri Saikia. So today's video is about things that a tomboy always gets to hear. So what is a tomboy? Yeah, what is a tomboy? Who named it? By the way, who defined the standards of beauty and femininity? Oh my god, that is a serious question though. Yeah. Okay, jokes apart, so the first thing a tomboy always encounters is, oh my god, she always hangs out with guys. Yeah. So, আমি যে আকৌ ইভিনিঙত বিয়নি মেল পাতি লোকৰ পিচিং কৰিবলৈ বেয়া পাওঁ সেইটো কাৰণে I think, sister, you should also include some men in your gang. But don't do them, okay? You know what I mean? Buzilane? Okay? Okay, the second thing is, look how she sits. Oh my god, how she walks. I mean, look at her dressing sense. Come on, she doesn't know how to dress up like a girl. Oh my god. Didn't her mom teach her anything? Oh wait, okay. Wait. My mom taught me many things like algebra and to pay my own bills, unlike you, sister. I'm a savage. And the third and most annoying thing you would hear is, you're pretty and single. Aren't you interested in man anymore? Why haven't you found yourself a nice man yet? Well, why are you so interested in my life? I'll get married whenever I want, sister. Or brother, why do you care so much? মই নিজে যেতিয়া মন যায় তেতিয়া বিয়া পাতিম তোমাৰ কি কৈছে বুজিলা Okay guys, that was my time. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you again.